you gotta do about 50 squats, my darling, because you know when you reach Jamaica you're gonna be having some fun with your partner, and your leg muscles gotta be strong, boo. Gotta be so strong, okay? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jules, and over here we have a good time all the time. Now I hope this video found you in good spirit. I hope you had a wonderful day, and if this is the first time that you have experienced one of my videos, I want you to give it a massive thumbs up, because you won't be disappointed, my lovely. Before I do go into the video though, I know you're very excited because the title is so juicy and you want to know everything about getting ready for that LDR visit, baby girl. You want to know what you should be doing before you go and see your boo thing, okay, whilst in the LDR. Before I get there though, I do have to talk about this wonderful company. So I have been gifted these two wonderful items from a wonderful company called Royalty Collection. I will leave their information in the description box. Please go ahead and support. Now I was in the LDR for 2.5 years, so I know what they're all about. I know about getting ready for them. I know what you have to do. So I want to give you a few of my favorite tips to get ready for your LDR visit, baby. So my first tip is, when you're in an LDR, you need to plan for your trips. When I say plan, I mean to have a plan, organize yourself. You first need to save for this trip, because being in LDR is not very cheap, okay? You do have to more time have you spending money, because you know how things are back home, right? And it is a struggle for everyone out there at the moment. You understand? So you're gonna have your little pocket change, you're gonna have your little chump change to buy your this and buy that. Now I'm not saying that you should be sponsoring nobody, no, I'm not saying that, but have your change ready, have your get vexed money ready. You understand? It's always good to have. I would advise anyone that is traveling to Jamaica for an LDR to open a Jamaica National account. Now what that gives you, it gives you a Jamaica National bank card, and it's very good to have a Jamaica National bank card, because I don't really like traveling with my cards from England. You know, you have a Jamaica National bank card, you won't lose that, because it won't be in a bundle of cards, and it's easier. The currency will already be in Jamaican dollars. There's no fuffle, there's no conversion rate, there's nothing. You transfer money into your account. When you go on holiday, your money's there. No hassle, no long talking, no ups and downs, no rigmaroles. Your money is in your account sitting pretty, waiting for you to use it on whatever you want to use your money for, okay? My third advice is, when you're going to Jamaica, you need to plan a vacation for you and your bae. Even though you're going to see your partner, and I know that you going to Jamaica is vacation, but it would be nice for you and him, or you and her, or you know, you and your partner to have that time alone in a lovely, nice hotel. It doesn't have to be the biggest or the poshest or the 5-star or 6-star or 10-star hotel. It can be a very nice little bed and breakfast, a little Airbnb. I book all my vacations hotel through a website called bookings.com. No, this is not a sponsored video, but I just want to help you guys to get the best out of your money. Booking.com has never failed me yet. They have always provided me with the best deals, the best options, and big up Travelers. This is not sponsored by Travelers either, but it is a hotel that I love and adore. The hotel is always clean. The hotel always looks crisp and pristine. I thoroughly enjoyed my 2 visits to Travelers Hotel, and both the visits never failed me. I've always had fun. The swimming pool is right out of your doorstep. The beds are nice and comfortable. They're big. Travelers is just turned up. Obviously Travelers is in Negril. If you are staying in like Kingston or Montego Bay, I don't know any hotels to suggest. So my other valuable tip, when you're going on holiday, please avoid spending millions or thousands of pounds. Shop around. You need to be a shop around kind of girl. You need to grab the deals wherever the deals are. You need to be shop everywhere. Primark, JD, eBay. the market. Listen, there's deals everywhere. Pretty Little Thing, Boohoo, Fashion Nova. Now my trick is, when you go into the sale section of the website, there are some really good items for a very affordable prices, and they're brand new. They might not be in trend because they are on sale. That means that a new collection will be coming out. However, you're saving so much money. Just go in the sale department. I love me a bargain. I love me a bargain, honey. I'm gonna teach y'all how to save this year. I really am. So just go in the sale part, you won't be disappointed. When I was going back and forth to Jamaica, I shopped on eBay for clothes. Yes, my clothes came from eBay from China, and they were looking fly, very fly. I shopped in Primark, my little £1 t-shirts, my little, you know, my little £3 shorts. Yeah, you have to know how to budget yourself, boo. Unless, I mean, if you're a millionaire and you can afford it, and you want to shop in Versace, Gucci, Prada, Fendi, go ahead. I'm not knocking you. Do your thing. But I'm talking for people that have a realistic life, like myself. Shop around. Just shop around, big girl. Just shop around. Save in advance. So let me give you an example. It is now May. If you're going to be planning a trip to Jamaica for next year, April, start saving from now. A little £50 put away each month does a lot. Let's talk about the night before advice. What you need to do before getting on the plane, before going to the airport. Get your notepad, get your pen. Are you ready? Are you ready? So before going to Jamaica, this is more for the females, but if you're a man, you can definitely listen to my suggestions as well. So before you go to Jamaica, sis, you've got to make sure you're shaved. Obviously, if your husband or boyfriend or fiance likes you bushy, do your thing. But I'm just saying, you gotta shave the cootie cat. You gotta shave the cootie cat. And if you want to know what you want to shave the cootie cat with, you can look into my previous video. I will leave a link below in the description box for you, okay? But you gotta shave the cootie cat. That's number one. You gotta shave the booty hole. I know that sounds nasty, but you just gotta shave the booty hole. And last but not least, you gotta shave the armpits. You can't go to Jamaica with your armpit bushy or look a certain way. No, mama. You have to shave that, okay? You gotta lay them edges. You gotta do about 50 squats, my darling, because you know when you reach Jamaica, you're gonna be having some fun with your partner. And your leg muscles gotta be strong, boo. Gotta be so strong, okay? And my last advice for you, make sure you brush your teeth. Obviously, I know you're a good girl like that. You're a part of the good girl clan. So obviously, you know to brush your teeth, you know to shave, you know to get your hygiene on top of everything, right? We don't have to worry about that. But yes, these are my few tips on how to prepare for your long distance relationship visit or trip or visit. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't too long. Now you know what we say. If you get to this part of the video, baby girl, you know exactly what to put into that comment section. I don't even have to tell you. But if you're new, let me tell you. Drop a love heart so I know that you watched my entire video. Okay, I want to see who's rocking with me. I want to see who's really with me, like properly with me. And goodie, you must know 5 people. You must know 5 people where you can tell about my channel. If every week you come here, you get the free content and you're not even telling 5 people, what you doing here? You must know 5 people. Me not ask nobody. Me know say you know 5 people. So please do share the word with your auntie, your uncle, your grandma, your sister, please do share the word of the channel. I want it to grow. We're almost at 200 subscribers. I do hope by the time this video becomes public, we'll be over 200 subscribers. I love and adore you. Thank you so much. I remember what I say. Say it with me, my lovely. Say it with me, girl. Come on, you know the saying now. Say it with me. Over here, we have a good time all the time. Now, thank you for watching. I love and adore you. Have a wonderful day, okay? Bye-bye. I'll see you later. Bye.